YouTube. Listen, family, in today's video, I'm going to teach you how just $1 could get you started on your financial journey, as well as how to properly set up your TSLL when you are trying to trade stocks that cost a little bit more money and you want to trade the one that is more affordable. I want you to know this skill. I want you to know how to properly do it. So Coach going to walk you step by step. Please make sure you like, subscribe, share this, help this video get at least 1,000 likes. And without further ado, let's go ahead and dive into it. Okay, guys, I got a jam-packed video for you all today. So I want to make sure I show you a few things, okay? Number one, a few stocks to kick it off with. Palantir. I'm gonna lay out some stocks that you guys could buy at least $1 in. Sometimes people think you need a bunch of money to get started. And although over time your behavior is going to get modified, but I want you to at least know, even with $1, you got things like Palantir you can invest in. You have stocks in good companies like Tesla you can invest in. They're up 33% in the past month. Palantir was up 33% in the past month. You got Nvidia that you can invest in. Okay, I'm talking about at least $1 because sometimes some of you just need to see the power as well as what's possible. And I don't want money or you feel like you need more money to be a barrier to entry. AMD, a play that is up 21% in the past month. And this is a good example of staying the course. When stocks are going down, you stay disciplined, you follow your principle, you dollar cost average, okay? And so check this out, guys. I have this chart pulled up here, and this is the 5-minute time frame for TSLL. I want to first show it to you technically. I want to show you how you can make $100 a day, $1,000 a day, $10,000 a day, $30,000 a day, whatever the number is for you. I want you to know it all starts with something like this. So number one, we got the 5-minute time frame. Okay, the areas down below, okay, is the buy zone. Okay, so 1450, for example, would be one buy zone. Okay, you don't ever have to try to nail it exactly. If you can do what I'm teaching you and buy in these areas, you can see massive gains because you bought in the right spot. You didn't buy way up here at 1526. You are waiting for it to pull back into the buy zone. Okay, ideally 1399 or below would be a good area to buy. So 1450 is support number one. 1399 or below is support number two. These are considered your buy zones, okay? You don't have to be perfect. You just need to be in the vicinity. And then if you get it here, because the structure is telling you everything is leaning up, you see the upward trajectory, the upward trend this is on. If you get on a pullback down here, you make more money when it go higher versus some of you who are chasing, having FOMO, buying high and not respecting your entries. You're buying high and then only getting the move up of a little bit, and it's not looking like it's doing what it's supposed to do. But if you get it at $13.99 and it runs back up to $15.26, that is life-changing money in TSLL. Guys, that is how you start the process of getting off the corporate plantation, okay? So Coach just wanted to lay that out for you all so that you could have an example to kind of see visually, okay? So now what we are going to do, I want to pull this up and walk you through what it would look like in your actual trade, okay? This is Robinhood, guys. This is TSLL. This play is already up 45%. I tried to tell you guys, that's for $4. It will change your life, okay? So you can go up 45% super quick on this, all right? But here's how you do it. You hit trade options, okay? You don't never want to choose your expiration date too close. So if this was Monday, the 16th is fine. With it being Thursday, at the very least, you want to go out to May 23rd, okay? But let's just choose May 16th so you can see what it would look like. Look at these prices versus what the real Tesla price be. Can you guys afford $100? Can you afford 40 cents? Can you afford 80 cents? Can you afford 93 cents? Okay. If we go out to May, Can you afford $1.15? Okay. So look, I told you that you want to get this around 1460. So that will be right here. Look at this. The delta on this is 56. Okay, you will want to choose something like this. The lowest coach's goal for his delta is 55. So this is fitting the bill right here. You can pay, look at this. This will cost, one contract will cost us $128. Do you have $100? Stop. Let's lay off the Uber Eats. Let's lay off the DoorDash. Put $100 aside so you can just see how it worked. Because once you see it, it's going to make you be like, man, what if I would have put $200? What if I would have put $300? What about $500? What about next time I get a tax return, I put the whole thing on something like this when I know my levels, when I have mastered my technicals, and I know we have momentum in this play. Okay, so boom, that is that. Here's another one, because coach likes to go with the 80 delta. So 1399 will be the next level it comes to. So let's say if we chose 13, look at this one. 76 delta. This play is a money printer, okay? You want, look at the very bottom of the screen for the delta. Coach looks for an 80 delta or a 55 delta. The only two I'm looking for. So how much does this cost? This one cost me $200.19. $219. Okay. And so if I can get it here for $200, I want you to see that it don't take all that. Now, what I want you to avoid is stuff like this. This is what some people do. Oh, they go way up here. Oh, it's only 13 cents. Look at this delta. 0.008. When you guys do this, you're throwing money in the toilet. You just giving Wall Street free money. Don't ever choose nothing way up here because it's 13 cents. You need to always be in the money. In the money means you're near. So the current price in the middle says 14.70. You need to be picking 14.50 or 15. Preferably, you should be picking 14 or 13.5 because those are going to hit even better. Let me know if this is understood, okay? Guys, this whole game is about you learning to pick the right strike price. Give yourself enough time so you can weather any storm, seen or unforeseen, that may come your way, okay? If you can do these things, guys, if you can get your entry right, if you can be patient, these are the things that can change your life, okay? You have other quality plays that are also affordable, like SoFi, okay? You got plays like HIMS. You got plays that are going to change your life. Now, they might not move as fast as this, but nevertheless, you ain't got nothing but time on your side anyway. So if you can let the time go by, you can surely make a lot of money if you got a 1 to 3 year outlook. And if you got 5 to 10 years, that's even better. The game take care of itself. Nobody has spoke about how they was doom and gloom about the stock market. Now, all of a sudden, we are back at the exact levels we fell from before all of this tariff talk. And now it's crickets. Guys, you have to ignore the noise. This is why coach show up every day trying to teach you guys buy low, dollar cost average. Whenever the market is down, I always say we going shopping. When there's blood in the streets, it's time to eat. I bought $150,000 worth of Netflix. I'm always trying to show through my actions what you should be doing so that you don't get caught up in the hoopla. Now everybody want to chase. I've been told you guys about AMD. I've been told you guys about Meta. I've been told you about Netflix when it was low and when it was during the downtime, because we already know when those of us that do this, that these days are coming. You can't time when, but it's inevitable that it can't stay down forever. And an inkling of a little bit of good news is all it takes to send it back to, guess what? All-time highs. Now, all of us is up millions on the year. We can just stop right now because we was buying when it was low. So you're going to get another opportunity again, but this time, don't get tricked out your spot. Don't get tricked out of your bag. Don't get tricked out of your life-changing opportunity because you still not catching on to how the game go. They're going to do and say things to push the stock down. That's your cue to buy, not say, what's up with AMD? What's up with Palantir? No, buy it. If you thinking that, if you say that, that should be your other cue to buy it because it's going to go up 20, 30%. in a matter of days, weeks, and months. That's just how the game go. But then guess what? Over time, the market gonna go even higher. So then it ain't gonna be 30%. It's gonna be 100%, 200%, 300%. And that's how we that come from nothing build all of this wealth. Okay. So again, $1 is all it takes. Never let nobody make you think it need to be more than that. The more, the better. But you can get started just so you can see what's possible. That's what coach care about. I want you to see what's possible. Then I want you to do your own mental math and say, oh, if I only did $1, how much would have been if I would have put $50 or $100 or $500? Okay. I always tell you, $250 is all you need to get with me, with the money team and everything else, because that's all I need to change your life. But $1 can suffice. And I want you to know that, okay? Listen, guys, we're going to get up out of here. We make videos like this every day. So if you like this one, make sure you check out the next one. Remember, most people see the end result. Very few consider the journey. Do me a favor. Don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. Make sure you guys grab some free stocks using my link below. And I'll catch you guys in the next one, okay? Peace.